Alright, well, this don't look anything like an FJ45 Toyota Land Cruiser, but this is the next project. In other videos that you've seen on my channel, you know that I use this ATV a lot for hauling things and getting wood and all of that, but the hard part is that you also know that I live on a ledge and it's real hilly and rocky and roots, and during the winter time, if there's 6 to 8 inches of snow on the ground, these tires just don't do it. I can't get up the hill. So I've been wanting a set of Camoplast TS4s or T4Ss for a long time, and I got a real good deal on this on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, $2,800 for the set, and they're real good. The wear is real good, non-existent. So, and the other thing about it that was good was the seller was in my hometown, so I only had to travel a mile to pick these up. Otherwise, I've seen them in Pennsylvania and New York and Massachusetts and New Hampshire. I would have had to travel if I wanted to go get them. So that was a big plus. So right now, these two here are the front and these two are the back. And these came off a Sportsman, or a 2018 Sportsman, Polaris Sportsman 850. And mine is a 2004.5 Polaris Sportsman 500 HO. So the sprockets, these guys right here, are different for every machine. So the fronts on the 850 were 18s and the rears were 17. On mine, I've got to put 17s on the front and 16s on the rear. So I went ahead and bought 16s here, and what I got to do is take off the 17s on the rear, put them on front, and then put the 16s back on the rears. So I'll have a little bit of that in some videos. Right now I'm having a problem with the rear mounting brackets. And on mine, it doesn't have these standouts, so they gotta go. So I do have a plasma cutter that I could do that, but I gotta have compressed air. You gotta have 9 CFM compressed air to use a plasma cutter. I've got that down back, but the old air compressor I have from 1996, Makita, is buried in parts. So we'll just use a reciprocating saw and some new blades and hack those off, and then see how they fit without those standoffs. So that's what I'm going to do today. And of course, I'm in a garage that doesn't have heat, so we're trying to use this propane radiant heater with a vent fan behind it, and then a small electric heater over here, which only puts out 1200 watts, but still it's a little bit. So it's about 20 degrees outside. It's not too bad. So I have a lot of work to do on this project, and that's what you'll be seeing on my channel for a little while. The other thing I wanted to do too is, once I have tracks on, I should be able to go ice fishing a little bit easier also. Anyway, that's the synopsis. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like and subscribe, it helps me a lot.